What's up, everybody? It's Majin Zaku again, coming from MajinHobby.com, and today I got another new product to take a look at. This one is coming from GunPrimer out of South Korea. And if you're familiar with the RASER series of products, this one's going to be a new addition to that. This is the RASER Plus, and that means it is a bit bigger than the original. The original was 11 millimeters by about 90 millimeters. This is 20 by 65. So it's not as long, but it's much wider. And it's also thicker. It's 5 millimeters thick now versus 3 in the past. So the other spec to go over is the grit of the sanding surface. Originally, when the RASER came out, it was 600 grit approximately. And then just after release, they came out with another version, and that was 400 grit. And now the RASER Plus, this one, the extra large one, is somewhere in the neighborhood of 220 grit. So I'm going to take it out of the bag. A nice picture of the tool itself. It says Superior Technology down here at the bottom. I know my light's pretty bright. It's giving a lot of glare, so I'll just open it up and we'll take a look, see. All right, so on the back we have basically the handmade authentic product certificate. And we have a foam insert. And in that foam insert is the RASER. Very shiny, very nice looking. It looks like the image they're using is from the Game of Thrones TV series. This would be the Iron Throne, I believe. So yeah, this surface here is going to be approximately 220 grit. So it should file down material pretty quickly. These standoffs right here on this runner, I'm going to try to attack one and see how long it takes to get down to the runner surface itself. So I'm going to go from here to here and we'll see what happens.
Three.
The best way to take care of your RASER is to brush it out after every use, and usually I slap it against my leg as I'm sitting and working on my project. So I just brush it off and then usually stick it back in its foam and set it off on the side of my desk, or I throw it in my catch-all box. But new product, very nice. It's just one of the best sanding blocks out there. I am a big fan of the RASER series, and I think this RASER Plus is going to be a nice addition to my kit. Every single one of these is hand finished to make sure there's no sharp edges, so you know that it's going to be a high quality product that's not going to gouge your plastic. Very nice. We do currently have these in stock, although we are selling quite a few of these, so I imagine we'll sell out before too long. But if you're interested in picking up a RASER Plus, head over to MajinHobby.com and we'll get one out to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you have any questions on this tool, leave them in the comments below. Like and subscribe the video. That really helps the shop out and is really motivating for us to do more videos. So we appreciate you guys. Wash your hands.